Communication is much more than just exchanging words. It is how we share ideas, express our feelings, solve problems,
요즘 따라 내꺼 힘든 내꺼 아닌 내꺼 같은 거야 네꺼 힘든 내꺼 아닌 내꺼 같은 나 이게 무슨 사이인 건지.
A pleasant day, everyone. I am Frich Ebon from Bsit 1A. Today, I want to talk to you about something we all do every day: communication. It might seem simple because we talk to each other all the time. But communication is much more than just exchanging words. It is how we share ideas, express our feelings, solve problems, and even build relationships. Whether we are speaking, writing, or using gestures, communication is one of the most important skills we need in life. So, what is communication? At its core, communication is the process of sending and receiving messages. There are two main types of communication. The first one, we have the verbal communication, which uses words, either spoken or written. The second one, we have the nonverbal communication, which includes body language, gestures, facial expressions, and tone of voice. Both types work together to make sure that the message we are trying to send is understood by others. Imagine a conversation without eye contact or a friendly smile, something would feel off, right? This shows that communication is not just about the words we use, but also how we present them. To understand communication better, let's break it down into a simple process. So there are four key parts of communication process. The first one, we have the sender. The sender is the person who has a message to share. The second one, we have the message, the idea or information the sender wants to communicate. The third one, we have the channel, the way the message is delivered, such as through speech, writing, or even social media. The last one, we have the receiver, the person who gets the message and interprets it. This process works in a loop, with feedback playing a major role. Feedback is the response the receiver gives to the sender. It helps the sender know whether the message was understood or if something needs to be clarified. Without feedback, communication would be one-sided and less effective. Now, why is communication so important? In our personal lives, communication helps us express our thoughts and emotions. It's how we form friendships, resolve conflicts, and work together. In professional settings, communication is key to teamwork, decision making, and leadership. If we don't communicate well, misunderstandings can happen, leading to confusion or even conflict. Effective communication allows us to connect with others, share knowledge, and solve problems. So, in conclusion, communication is a powerful that influences every aspect of our lives. Whether we are chatting with friends, learning in schools, or working in job. Being able to communicate clearly and effectively help us succeed. By understanding the basic process of communication and the importance of both verbal and nonverbal cues, we can improve how we connect with others. So, next time you speak, remember, communication is not just about talking. It's about listening and understanding as well. Thank you.